Is India's ally Russia providing military support to Pakistan? Reports claim that Russia is said to supply RD-3MA engines to Pakistan for JF-17 Block 3 jets, despite India's objections. This raised widespread criticism from the opposition and raised questions about India-Russia ties. However, Russia has dismissed reports claiming that Russia is providing military support to Pakistan by supplying engines of Chinese-made JF-17 fighter jets, calling it illogical. On reports claiming that Russia is all set to supply RD-3MA engines to Pakistan, a top Russian source told Times Now that there is no confirmation on such a development. The source called such reports illogical and not credible for serious and professional observers. Moscow doesn't have such a level of cooperation with Pakistan that would make India uncomfortable, the top Russian source told Times Now, and termed the reports as an attempt to compromise exceptionally promising and forward-looking cooperation between India and Russia. So why does it matter? Well, these reports come ahead of scheduled high-level engagements between New Delhi and Moscow. Russia's President Vladimir Putin will also visit India later this year. The development is also significant as India and Russia have been long-standing defense partners. For over 5 decades, the two nations have collaborated across key sectors, including military hardware, nuclear energy, and space programs. Sources said that there have been attempts to create friction between Moscow and New Delhi ahead of the upcoming bilateral meetings. However, there has been a clear message from Moscow: no engine deal of cooperation level with Pakistan to worry India. Interestingly, Pakistan's use of Russian-made engines in its fighter jets isn't new. Even though Pakistan doesn't buy weapons directly from Russia, China has been acting as a middleman for years, supplying RD-93MA engines for the JF-17 Thunder jets. The JF-17, which is jointly developed by China and Pakistan, runs on this Russian-designed engine, a modified version of the RD-33 used in single-engine aircraft. On the other hand, while India is cutting down on defense imports, Pakistan's arms purchases are rising rapidly. Between 2015 to 2019 and 2020 to 24, its arms imports went up by 61% because of a major push to acquire new fighter jets and warships. As per the SIPRI data, Pakistan made up 4.6% of global arms imports during 2020 to 24. China continues to be its top supplier, providing 81% of Pakistan's major weapons in that period, up from 74% in 2015 to 19. India is still one of the biggest buyers of defense equipment in the world. As per new data from the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, or SIPRI, India was the second largest arms importer between 2020 and 2024, right after Ukraine, making up about 8.3% of total global imports. Pakistan stood at number 5. While Russia remains one of India's key suppliers, its shares has been falling steadily. Why? Because India is now focusing on self-reliance under the Make in India initiative, boosting defense spending and buying more weapons from countries like France, Israel, and the US. SIPRI data shows that Russia supplied 36% of India's total arms imports in 2020 to 24. But that's a big drop from 55% in 2015 to 19 and 72% in 2010 to 14. Overall, India's total arms imports also fell by 9% during this period, a sign that the country is slowly cutting its dependence on foreign defense suppliers. About his upcoming visit to India later this year, Russian President Vladimir Putin said that he was looking forward to his trip to India in early December and meeting with my friend and a reliable partner, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When asked about the US threat to impose high tariffs and sanctions on Russia's key partners, Putin said that the Indian people will not tolerate their country being bullied into making a decision that contradicts their national interests and priorities.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.